Let's create some pipe stroke. With Letterink, you can design typefaces not only with nib stroke, which is something one we can see right now. It's based on our nib, but you can also turn it into pipe stroke. So let's see what it means. I'm going to turn to the Letterink tool and quickly change the nib angle to the something like I will use degree 1 for master. We have all of the nibs turned parallelly, and with the pipe stroke we want to have them turn vertically on the skeleton. So let's make it quickly. I'm going to change the angles. So we always keep this one as 0. So let's make a 0. Then the second one will be something like 270, right? Third one will be something like 180. And the last one will be 90. I'm gonna do the same here. So 90. Okay. 90 and 180. So this is the basement for the pipe stroke. You see, I'm going to correct the path, how it works. Perfect. And but still we need to somehow correct the contrast. So probably I will change, let's switch to the lettering tool, and probably we need these guys make a little bit thinner than the rest. So I'm going to select those, turn it to 10, then again, 10 again, and maybe this guy I'm gonna make 10 again too. So let's see what is the result. Oh, beautiful. And what is the triggers? Let's change the layer nib. I'm gonna change the layer nib to the 60 and see what happens. As you can see, those guys remain almost the same, but slightly are bigger. Those are much bigger, and so on. And what if I change it to 30? Nice. As we can see, the lettering keeps the contrast almost the same. Of course, there will be needed several corrections, but what happens if we change the degree to something like 20, and to make it more extreme, 30 or 50. So now we have again the behavior of the nib, but instead of nib stroke we are using pipe stroke. Let's make, as a final one, let's make the result a bit more extreme. And that's extreme here. Nice. So much more work, but for now we are done, and that's it.